It's a matter of weeks to be able to be undertaking these things. I think our statement is very clear. We are looking at peaceful marches, peaceful demonstrations, stairways, anything that would show the power of the rejection by the people of Zimbabwe. We are aware of what they want to do, which is now they are preparing their machinery to arrest people, to kill people, to beat up people. We are not afraid of anything. So let that be very clear. What we know will happen is that we will succeed. They will be stopped.
You look like a Chicana.
No, I think we made it very clear last week that the signing of the document on the 7th of July is just the opening move, it's the gambit, it's the beginning, but the beginning of the end. Yeah, the beginning of the end of the process of mutilating Zimbabwe's constitution. It enters and pushes Zimbabwe in a very dangerous zone. But citizens are now responding. Citizens are now fighting back. And we've made it very clear that you can kill us 100 times. We are ready for that. You can arrest us 100 times. We are ready for that. But the fact of the matter is that Cab 3 will be short-lived. And that's why we have the statement we have made today. And as Prof. Maduku says, our consultations are going to be very short, but certain things have to be done, and we're going to do that.
Yes?
Okay, I hear you are talking about dialogue.
O Republic, this is your responsibility. Join the Constitutional Restoration Campaign so that together we may restore constitutional democracy. Together we shall restore constitutional government. Together we shall restore the Constitution. Our motto, therefore, is restore the Constitution. Justice in the courts, sovereignty with the people, peacefully, lawfully, and together. Thank you.
So, as we speak, zvinhu zviri kuitika muri yezimbabwe mavanzwa sungano yevanhu right now. Keep your eyes on sungano yevanhu, because sungano yevanhu they are not operating on their own. Sungano yevanhu, they are operating with the Chiwenga faction, and the Chiwenga faction ari kuuya Comrade Knox Chivero. Comrade Knox Chivero kuuya kwavo vachauya nesignal, vachauya neword rekuudza mazimbabweans kuti now this is what is happening, now we are taking this step. So regai ndikuudzei, according to the analysis dzandaita take from a conversation yandaita naComrade Gungunde. Comrade Gungunde wanga achitaura about all the things that are happening behind the scenes. So that preaching ya Lazarus yakaitwa na VP Chiwenga, it was something specific. It was not a general, another like, ranga singori a general statement. It was specific. It was about telling Zimbabweans that this whole thing doesn't only belong to him or the military, but chinobelonga kwatiri tose, and all of us, our participation is required. Muri Zimbabwe zvaizvezvizvi hapasi pekunzi kwanzi panoda any makakatano to say but VP Chiwenga pavanga vari pamusoro mazuva vanga vasingazivi kuti Mnangagwa wachavapandukira, he was also just saying the same things zvechingotaura Mnangagwa. What is in front of us as Zimbabweans right now is something that is kind of dangerous. kwachiri kuinda kwachiri kudhonzegwa chacho kuri dangerous ndekuya kwokuti munhu ari kuda kutongoachieve absolute power. It's not can you say it's not only Mnangagwa ari kuita zvinhu izvi. Chinhu ichichi muri Zimbabwe munhu wese ari involved, munhu wese ari kudla in this thing ari kubheja achipa upenyu hwake hwose, right? You see, ndopaipai patogara tichitaura tichiti politics gets dangerous very quickly, right? So now at this stage yatava seZimbabwe, at this stage I tell you this, hakuchadzokereki kumashure for zvigananda, for maministers ari kumhanyisa Cape 3 hakuchadzokereki kumashure because we have history muZimbabwe. We know exactly how politicians operate in Zimbabwe, especially patiri kutaura panapa tiri kutaura zvevanhu vakaita saEmmerson Dambudzo Mnangagwa na Constantino Chiwenga, right? So these two guys vanotori nehistory yokutoti some people had to run away from Zimbabwe. Vana Kasukuwere, vana chakadaro, vana Jonathan Moyo, Vesa, they had to run away from Zimbabwe. Now, muri Zimbabwe, kana Mnangagwa neCape 3 zvikafeila ma1 kune vamwe vanhu, so first rikaitaure side route kana zvikapasa kupasa kweCape 3 is not just kuextendwa kwematerms nekuramba vachiextenda nekuvhotiwa kunoitirwa mapresident neparliament. It benefits they who benefit kubva muchinhu ichochocho so much with completeness yekuti vanhu ava they know kuti for them and their families for generations to come, and kana ukaestablisha chinhu chinonzi dynasty hauchiestablish uri one, pane mafamilies akawandisa anobenefit, you understand, akawanda, but compared to the rest of Zimbabwe it's a tiny group, haitombosviki kana even 0.5% vanobenefit, but for those who benefit, they benefit completely, like they get land, they get, state companies, state contracts, for years and years uchingosupply state some stupid thing, and tenderero harina kwari rumboenda unongochingodla millions forever apa une mafamu nemachi, you understand? So they are ready to die for it, and they give all that they are kuti Mnangagwa aestablishe chinhu ichi chidynasty, you understand? Zvese zvimafamily, because zvimafamily zvakawandisa zvechigain ipapo, right? So muri Zimbabwe mavanzwa vakomana vesungano yevanhu vari kutaura kuti zvinhu zviya zvakuitika ndokunzi kurongegwa kwakaitwa Mnangagwa, because now all the opposition they are speaking with one voice, vana Tendai Biti, vana Timbe, vana Madhuku, etc. mavaona, all these guys they're now speaking with one voice because vakomana vari kufanira kutomiswa, hazvisi zvori kwanzi vari kufanira kutomiswa, and we know kuti vari kutozomiswa. So garai panapa, tichange chikupai more maupdates. Rugare ngaruve nemi.